Hello guys, welcome back to Topic African YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode we'll be making this juice at the comfort of our home with only fruit. This was genuinely my first time handling a dragon fruit, and what I can say, it's not as hard as we see it. The fruit is so soft, and also the taste, I can rate the taste 10 out of 10. It almost tastes like passion, but it does not have so much sugar. But personally I loved the fruit. So this is how you peel the fruit. You first of all portion it into four portions, and then you just peel the outer peelings like so. It's very easy. Actually, you don't even need a knife to do so. So as you can see, like it's very easy to peel. You cannot even compare it to how you can even peel an orange. It's very easy. And then we have some oranges, and then some grapes. So you see these oranges, we're not going to like put them as whole. We're going to like juice them, because if you're blending, we tend to add water or milk, but in this case I want to add my home extracted orange juice. Then after that, now we are going to place in our fruits. You see the grapes, since they are very small, I don't have a problem with like cutting them, so I'm going to add them like that, and also add some dragon fruit. And by the way, I usually discourage like buying drinks from the market, because when you buy, the prices never make sense. They are too cheap as compared to how you make your own fruit. So they usually use a lot of chemicals. And then we've added some orange juice. And then after adding some orange juice, we now blend. So now here we're just trying to blend our fruits so that they can be able to like be uh they can be a smoothie. Okay, this drink cannot be like a juice, okay, because you're not juicing, we are blending. So here I was trying to sieve so that I can show you, even if you don't have a juicer, you can also enjoy this drink if you're always irritated with chunks of things in your drink. So you see, this one had blended and it was very thick, as you can see, and the color was nice. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.